Hello, this is tutorial for new users only, or when you completely have wiped out, deleted your public HTML data folder for all domains. Okay, let's start with that. Okay, this is for new users, or if you have completely deleted every domain and creating everything from new. Okay, this will help you manage better domain folders, all the data. Okay, by default, all the data for domains have this folder by default. Save the data by default. We will change that. We will create new folder inside this one. Call it new domain one, just as our domain. Okay, let's click update. Okay, the data folder has been updated. Now all the data for our primary domain, this one, new domain one, will be saved in this data folder. Okay, we will add new domain or secondary domain, new domain 2.com. Okay, we have new domain, and for each new domain, you need new folder. So we will call it just like our new domain, but without .com. New domain 2. Okay, let's click update. Okay. Um, we have set to our domains these new folders, but they have not been created yet because domains have no data. Nothing has been installed on these domains, so we will check if there is any data and install WordPress and then check again. Okay, let's check with the file manager if there is any data in our public HTML folder. As you can see, folder is empty. We will install now WordPress, and by installing WordPress you create these folders and all data within these new folders. Okay, we installing WordPress and new domain 1.net. Install WordPress. Okay, installing. We wait. Okay, WordPress has been installed. As you can see, these two domains, the one is normal domain and the other one is server only domain. You can access this one, stack staging, only from server. Okay, we will install now WordPress on our secondary domain. New domain 2.com. Install WordPress. Let's wait. Okay, install successful. As you can see, our domain and server stack staging domain. Now we will go to file manager and check if there is any changes. There should be new folders now inside public HTML. As you can see, new domain 1 folder and new domain 2 folder. Both of these folders has all the files installed as it should be when you install WordPress. Okay, now we will install subdomains. Okay, let's go to domain names subsection, subdomains. Let's create subdomain 1, 2, 3 for new domain 1.net. Okay, we click which one and create subdomain. Okay, subdomain has been created. Let's create subdomain for secondary domain. Subdomain 2. Okay, create subdomain. As you can see, by default, the folders are subdomain 1, 2, 3, 4 folder for subdomain 1, 2, 3, 4, and for subdomain 2 folder is subdomain 2 inside public HTML folder. Okay, let's check there is any changes within public HTML folder. The file manager. Okay, you can see subdomain 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and the other one, subdomain folder, subdomain 2. Okay, this tutorial is because when you create in such a way, you have each folder for domain or subdomain, and it's really easy to back up. Just need to back up public HTML folder, and you have backed up all your domains. That's what I would recommend doing from the start when you start creating domains. This is the easiest way in my opinion. Thank you for watching. Hope this tutorial helped you. Bye.